Welcome to today's explainer. I'm so glad you're here. So, today we're tackling something absolutely crucial if you're learning English and want to feel 100% confident when talking about numbers. We are mastering math symbols and parentheses. My goal? To get you totally comfortable with the exact vocabulary you need to confidently read and solve equations out loud. Let's dive right in. 5 basic math symbols. Notice how these visual symbols connect directly to the spoken English words. Let's run through them. That little cross, we say plus, and that's for addition. The horizontal line is minus for subtraction. The X is times, which is multiplication. The line with a dot above and below it is divided by, for division. And finally, those two parallel lines, they mean equals, which just tells us both sides have the exact same value. Imagine a magnifying glass hovering right over a specific set of numbers inside those parentheses. Parentheses literally mean do this first. We always solve whatever is inside them before moving on to the rest of the problem. It really helps to picture this process like a giant funnel. Look at how the problem just naturally gets simpler as we move down. At the top of the funnel, level 1, we have our full equation, parentheses, 2 plus 3, close parentheses, times 4. But because of our golden rule, we solve that specific grouped section first. 2 plus 3 becomes 5. Now we drop down to level 2, and the equation is way simpler, 5 times 4. And boom, we drop down to level 3 at the very bottom, arriving at our final answer, 20. We're just solving step by step, keeping the whole shebang nicely organized. Now, I want you to really listen to how this sounds as a full, spoken English sentence. 2 plus 3 equals 5, times 4 equals 20. Did you catch how I paused right after the word 5? That little pause is actually a super important verbal cue. It represents finishing the work inside the parentheses before you start that next operation. Okay, here are 5 practice problems. I'd love for you to go ahead and literally pause this explainer right now. Grab a piece of paper and a pencil. For each problem, solve it mathematically, but then, and this is the real secret sauce for your English practice, write the entire equation out in full words, exactly like we just practiced. And please, don't forget to include the answer and the word equals. Go ahead, hit pause now, and just hit play again when you're all finished. All right, welcome back. Checking your answers. Let's see how you did. I'm going to read the first 2 answers nice and slowly so you can check them against your written work. Ready? Number 1, 3 plus 2 equals 5, times 4 equals 20. Number 2, remember, parentheses first. 2 times 3 equals 6. Then the rest of the equation. 10 minus 6 equals 4. Let's keep it rolling with the next 2. Really pay attention to the order of operations here. Number 3, 8 divided by 2 equals 4, plus 5 equals 9. And number 4, 6 plus 4 equals 10. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. And now for our final equation. Number 5, 5 times 2 equals 10. 10 minus 3 equals 7. Let's just take a quick second to look at what you actually accomplished today. You completely mastered the English terms for those basic math symbols. You figured out exactly what parentheses are and how they dictate the order of operations. And best of all, you learned how to comfortably read complete mathematical equations aloud in everyday English words. That is a huge win. Thank you so much for your focus and hard work during this explainer. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time.